Are you a people person? Do you like to hang out with other people and have a good time and things like that? Well, if you do, and you can also, when you hang out with people too, sometimes you like to voice your opinion, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $750 per week just for voicing your opinion and hanging out with other people and hearing their opinions, and make up to $750 per week. And this is a needed position that you can get started with today. If it sounds interesting to you to get paid to hang out with people and voice your opinion, you want to stick around and watch this whole video. We're about to get started. It ain't going to be a long video, but it's going to be a sweet one, okay? Okay, guys. First of all, like I like to do, let's get started with the to-dos here, guys. And if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed, well, anytime during the video that you think about it and you feel like it, reach down there below the video, click that subscribe button, and click that little notification bell there right beside it. And anytime during the video that you feel like it and you're getting some value out of it, well, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel out and the YouTube algorithm with my channel as well. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this. It's a really cool site, and it's easy enough to get started with, and they actually need lots of people, which I'll show you here in just a moment. The site that we're going to come to today that will help you do this, you get paid up to $750 per week right from home by hanging out with other people online and voicing your opinion. You want to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Apex Focus Group. If you look right up here in the address bar, guys, it's apexfocusgroup.com. You see that right there? This site right here, what it is get paid for your opinion. It says we help you find paid focus groups near you. Our team gathers focus groups from around the web and works directly with some of the top market research firms to bring you legitimate paid focus group opportunities. Here, and it talks about what we do here. It says use your knowledge and expertise in your field to influence decision makers on products and services that matter. With everything from consumer packaged goods to medical and healthcare advancements, we offer a wide range of market research groups that fit your interests, background, lifestyle, and location. Come and join us and receive compensation for making your voice heard. And then we come down here and you can see some of the different services here. It's focus groups. Receive compensation for your voice. We have over 1,000 legitimate focus group opportunities and work with virtually every market research firm in the U.S. Now, I think that you can probably do this overseas as well too. You can be a part of this Apex Focus Group anywhere in the world, I believe, and they will probably pay you via PayPal and so on. So if you can access PayPal, you can sign up here on this site, okay, and be a part of this. And they have clinical trials. You can get access to experimental treatments with help. We help connect people with clinical research studies that offer treatments under development. And they have paid survey panels, help companies improve their products and tell us what you think about the products you use every day, and even try new ones before they hit the shelf. So they'll even let you try a product that's in development right now. They'll ship it to your home, and you can test it out for an honest opinion about the products and stuff as well that you've used, okay? Before it even comes out to the public, you can get to test these products and probably even get to keep them as well after you've tested them and gave back your honest opinion to Apex Focus Group here. And it comes down here, talks about here some testimony. Apex Focus Group has always been our go-to resource for making some extra income. And guy says, I really feel like my opinion matters, and I love taking part in focus groups and surveys. And if you come down here, you see they've got over 1,000 market research opportunities. But look here, guys, there's only 824 people that are active participants. So that's less participants than it is the amount of work and help that they need here, guys. So that's what I meant earlier in the video. I said you're absolutely needed on this particular site. They need you here to do this. And they cover 41 states. And then you can click right here, or you can come up here and click here. But what I wanted to show you is their different services they have here, and that's part of the services here. And they have focus groups right here. You can see here available focus group studies, and join us now and gain access to more exclusive and higher paying focus group studies. So if you look at some of these right here, guys, and down here you can see they got plenty of pages full of it here. And it says right here, like a research on business travel, they're going to pay you $125 for this one here. Talks about the ages here, decision-making field work, $300 here. They're going to pay on that. Home financing, $300. Pet products, $250. Health and wellness, $400. They're going to pay you just for that focus group study right there, guys. Then they have women's clothing. It's $150 to $200. Pool professional, $50. Alcoholic beverages they'll talk about and they're going to pay you $125 for that as well. And then it goes on and on and on, several pages here of focus study they need help with. Okay, so if we come over here and you click on join a focus group right here, guys, it loads this up right here, and you can see this right here, looking for focus group participants, up to $750 per week, guys, that you can make with doing these focus group studies here. And then you can just click here to apply now, and it talks a little bit about it right here, guys. And it says our company is seeking individuals to participate in national and local paid focus groups, clinical trials, and even phone interviews as well. It says with most of our paid focus group studies and surveys, you have the option to participate online or in person if you'd like to. And this is a great way to earn additional income from the comfort of your home. Participation in focus groups can be a very rewarding experience, knowing that your opinion will help shape the industry and influence new products coming to market. In some cases, you may even get to sample and test the new products before it hits the general public, like I was telling you there earlier, guys. You'll get to even have these products shipped to your home, and you get to test them out for a while and then give your opinion. It says we need participants in the following topics: child-related, cell phones, entertainment, food, sports, electronics, pets, and automobiles, just to show you some here. I mean, you can see that most everybody can voice their opinion on every single one of these particular categories that they're asking for. And the responsibilities here: show up at least 10 minutes prior to discussion time, participate by completing written and oral instructions, complete a written survey provided for each panel, and it says here you must actually use the products and or services if provided. In other words, if they send it to you, they're going to want you to test it. They want you to use it and give your honest opinion about it during the meeting, right? And it says the qualifications: you must have either a smartphone with working camera or a webcam on your computer. It says must have access to a reliable internet connection, desire to fully participate in one or several of the above topics, ability to read, understand, and follow oral and written instructions. And it comes on down, no experience required, but must be able to work independently. As you can see, this is not employment, guys, and it's not even really an independent contracting thing. It's just you work when you want, and when they offer these to you, you probably should take it, because they're going to pay you several $100s just even for one focus group, right? It's really good. It's a really good thing. And it says flexibility to take part in discussions online or in person. No commute needed if you choose to work from home. No minimum hours. You can do this part-time or even full-time, guys. And enjoy free samples from our sponsors and partners in exchange for your honest feedback of their products, right? So you get to review and use new products or services before they are launched to the public. And all you need in education-wise is just a high school diploma or its equivalent. I think we all are able to have that, right? And it says right here, for a 1 hour session, they're going to pay you $35 to $75. And for multi-session studies during the day, you're going to make anywhere from $350 to $750, like it said, per week there, guys. And it says if the thought of participating in a consumer panel and voicing your opinion about new consumer products while being compensated to do so gets you excited, we'd love to have you apply while spots are still available, guys. And it looks like they do have spots available. Like I showed you earlier, the amount of work is way more than the amount of people that they have helping them here on this site. It's just a matter, you can click on apply here, guys, or you can apply up here at the top too. Doesn't make any difference. click here and just fill out this little application. Put in your first name, your last name, email. Now, I would better you want to put your PayPal email address in there, because they're probably going to pay you through PayPal, would be my guess on this. And then your zip code, your birth year, gender, cell phone. Do you have children? Are you currently employed? Are you interested in paid online surveys? And what is your current education level? I would at least put not just the high school, but I would at least put some college in there. If you don't have any college, just put some college in there anyway. And this is, are you interested in higher education for career advancement? And you can choose yes or no on that, because they might help your knowledge or whatever, and you'll be able to get in maybe higher paid surveys or focus groups, right? And then you just click on submit the registration profile, and I'm going to guess that they're probably going to send you an email confirmation on this, and so on and so forth. So you want to get that validated, and then you can come back and get logged into your background or your back office there, and begin to take in these focus groups, getting involved in these focus group studies. Like it showed you back over here, you can come here to the focus group studies, and you can apply and sign up for whichever ones you want to sign up for. And if I was you, I believe I'd sign up for every single one of these guys and get locked into this and begin to make yourself up to, well, $750 per week. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. It's a way to come over and begin to make yourself a reasonable, pretty good income on a weekly basis with this company called Apex Focus Group. Guys, if you like that video method there, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click that notification bell there for me so you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one here. Also, if you got any questions or comments, leave them down there below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and click on that and come over and watch my free video presentation that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting even today as well. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Don't forget to check out these videos up here that'll help you also make money online as well. Alrighty, guys, you take care, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye now. Have a great day.